I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, profit and loss. Profit and loss are connected with business. Business means purchasing some item and selling it and gaining something in the process. In some cases, when the item gets old, then the shopkeeper has to sell it at a price lower than the price at which he bought it. In this case also, we say there is loss to the shopkeeper. So we define the following terms. Cost price, the money a shopkeeper pays for buying certain goods from a wholesale dealer or manufacturer is called the cost price of the goods for the shopkeeper. In short, we write it as CP. Next, selling price. The money received by a shopkeeper on selling an article is called the selling price of the article for the shopkeeper. In short, we write it as SP. If the selling price is more than the cost price, that is if SP is more than CP, then the shopkeeper makes a profit or gain. This profit or gain is equals to selling price minus cost price, that is SP minus CP, okay. And if SP is less than the CP, it is said that shopkeeper suffers a loss. Thus, loss is equals to CP minus SP, okay. Now, let us consider some examples. Example 1. A shopkeeper bought a radio for rupees 650. Okay, so this is the cost price, right? And sold it for rupees 720. SP is 720. So we have to find his profit. Okay, so clearly SP is greater than CP. That means he made a profit. Okay, so profit is equals to what? SP minus CP. Okay, rupees 720 minus rupees 650 is rupees 70. That means he made a profit of rupees 70. Okay. Next, overhead expenses. Apart from the cost price, sometimes the shopkeeper has to pay additional charges for transport, labor and maintenance of the goods. These additional expenses are called overheads. Thus, actual CP of an article is equals to cost of the article plus overhead expenses. Okay, overhead expenses will be included in the cost price. Okay, let's do example number 3. A shopkeeper bought a sofa set for rupees 5,230 and he spent rupees 450 on labor charges to bring it to his shop. He sold the sofa set for rupees 6,670. So we have to find his profit or loss. Okay, so first we will find the total CP. Okay, total CP is what? Total CP is cost of the sofa set, which is 5,230 plus labor charges, which is the overhead expenses, is rupees 450. Okay, so total is 5,680 rupees. Okay, this is the total CP. SP, he sold at a price of rupees 6,670. Okay, so we have to find whether he made a profit or a loss. See, SP is greater than CP, so clearly he made a profit. Okay, so now let's find out the profit. Profit is SP minus CP, which is rupees 6,670 minus rupees 5,680. Okay, after subtracting, we'll get this answer. Means he made a profit of rupees 990. Thus, we know that in case of loss, loss is equals to CP minus SP, SP is equals to CP minus loss, and CP is equals to SP plus loss. And in case of profit, profit is equals to SP minus CP, SP is equals to CP plus profit, and CP is equals to SP minus profit. Okay. Now, important points to remember. Number 1, gain or loss is always calculated on CP. Number 2, gain on rupees 100 is called gain percent. Number 3, loss on rupees 100 is called loss percent. Number 4, gain percent is equals to gain upon CP into 100%. And number 5, loss percent is equals to loss upon CP into 100%. Okay. Example 4. A shopkeeper buys a book rupees for 150, that means CP is rupees 150, and sells it for rupees, that means SP is rupees 175. We have to find his profit for percent. First, we will find the profit. Profit is what? SP minus CP. SP is rupees 175 and CP is rupees 150. Okay. So the answer is 25. Means he made a profit of rupees 25. But we have to find his profit percent. And you know, profit percent is what? is profit upon CP into 100. Profit is rupees 25, CP is 150 rupees into 100. Okay, 0, 0 goes, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 50. So 50 by 30%, or you can also convert it into mixed fraction. So 16 2 by 3%. Okay, so he made a profit of 16 and 2 by 3%, right? To find selling price and cost price. Clearly, we have selling price is equals to cost price plus gain, or cost price minus loss. Okay, so we can find the cost price of an article if the selling price and gain or loss are given. Thus we have cost price is equals to SP minus gain or SP plus loss. Okay, let's do the example. A lady sold a sari for rupees, that means SP, for rupees 1408 at a loss of, okay, she made a loss of rupees 415. So we have to find the cost price of the sari. Okay, selling price is given, loss is given. We have to find the cost price, and cost price is what in case of loss? It's SP plus loss. Okay, SP is rupees 1408, right, plus rupees 415. 415 is what? Loss. So she may, what is the cost price is? Cost price is 1823. Okay, now let's do exercise 16.1. CP is given, SP is given, we have to find the gain or loss. Okay, CP is what? Rupees 140 and SP is what? Rupees 200. Okay, so SP is greater than CP, that means here the person made a gain or profit. Okay, so gain is what? SP minus CP, that is 200 minus 140 rupees. Okay, and rupees 60. Rupees 60 is the gain. Okay, students, now you will do practice of the remaining questions.